The Church of Uganda, in partnership with other organizations, observed the 16 days of activism against gender-based violence with the theme Invest to Prevent Violence Against Women and Girls. The event took place in Kisugu, Kasanvu village, where the church affirmed its commitment to work with the government to put to the end to injustice against the women and young girls in the community.
Our responsibility is not just to speak against injustice. It is to act, to intervene, and to stand against the tide of violence. During these 16 days, let us commit to fostering a culture of respect, empathy, and solidarity. As we raise our voices against gender-based violence, let us also extend our hands in support of survivors, offering a pathway to healing and empowerment.
The Assistant Bishop of Kampala, the Right Reverend Hannington Mutebi, highlighted the responsibility of religious leaders in addressing violence. He stated that the faith spaces should be utilized to condemn the culture of injustice and provide counseling to the families on the harmful effects of violence, as emphasized in the Archbishop's speech.
Creating awareness and working with men and boys as agents of change. Embrace programs that mentor the boy child to be responsible and respect the girl child.
Mr. Kabanda, the Minister for Kampala Capital City, who was the chief guest, extended her appreciation to the religious leaders for their initiatives in stopping injustice. She emphasized the government's commitment to ending this vice and pointed out the significance of the Constitutional Act of Gender Violence in prohibiting cultural practices and laws that promote violence.
The Constitution provides for the state to take deliberate affirmative action in favor of groups marginalized on the basis of gender, age, disability, or any other reason created by history, tradition, or custom. In this direction, laws, cultures, customs, and traditions which are against the dignity, welfare or interest of women or any other marginalized group are prohibited by the Constitution and the laws of Uganda.
She implored the local communities to bring to the attention of the ministry any instances of gender violence that may be not addressed by the police due to their demand for bribes. Additionally, she called upon the police forces to take action against the officers who engage in corrupt practices by accepting bribes from the individuals.
Omukyala yagamba zisina bwe naalumiriza omusajja ati yarepiza abaana naye nga amaze okutwala ku medical examination ng'eraze nti abaana badde raped naye omusango tegwakwatibwa bulungi. Ku ssaawa zino wendi poliisi empuliriza inawo omusango oguli ku mmeeza. Omukyala omwana wa myaka 16 yarepiza wa 14. Poliisi omusango yagugobye n'egamba nti ono omwana akyali muto tetusobola mumukyajinga n'olwekyo muddeyo mukolo ki tegeeragane. Kati omwana oyo waali era ngenda kitekinga on ngenda mu anti-corruption ngenda.
It has gone through a lot of psychological, emotional, economical. What we should realize and appreciate is that the other forms of violence are not physical. The media, you most times show the physical violence, but the psychological, economical, and the emotional are not seen. And by the time it comes out physical violence, it means there has been a lot